Attention, all attention. This is a system-wide broadcast. Attention, attention. This is a system-wide broadcast. All Space Rangers, please proceed to planet Delta 5. There is a tricky situation and we will need all forces on the ground that we can muster. Now, on this planet, there's a race of aliens. They are divided into two competing factions. One of them always tells the truth. One of them will always say the opposite of the truth. You cannot tell the difference between these two factions. As being the same species, they are functionally identical and do not mark their exterior bodies in any way. And while all of these aliens speak perfect English, they will not speak it to a human. They will, however, understand whatever you say to them. If you land, keep this in mind, but try not to land. If you do land, get too far down into the atmosphere, you will probably be shot down. As I said, the situation is tricky. However, if you do get shot down, there is a spaceport that can get you safely into space again. For now, simply try not to get shot down. And unfortunately, our daring hero gets shot down. He lands on the planet and is confronted by two aliens. One of them will always tell the truth, one of whom will always tell the lie. He gets out of his crashed ship and prepares to head off to the spaceport. But as he comes to a fork in the road, the two aliens stand in his way. He can only ask them one question. They will either say yes or no, but he can't understand that, so they will have to point. So, what question can he ask the pointing aliens, one of whom always tells the truth and one of whom always tells a lie, that will allow him to make it safely to the spaceport? Now, this is the time where I stop the video and we ask questions. So, pausing the video now. All right, hopefully you've enjoyed our question and answer session. Now, this is a tricky one. If he just guesses, he has a 50-50 chance of not making it to the spaceport and being forever lost on a hostile planet. So, because if he asks the alien that always tells the truth, he'll get to the spaceport. But if he happens to ask the alien that always tells a lie, he won't. And he has no way of knowing which alien is which because they're functionally identical. And each will insist that they're telling the truth. So, what is the question that will allow him to reach the spaceport from the pointing aliens? Remember, they can only point. So, direct me in the direction of the spaceport. He'll get one truth and one lie, but he can't tell the difference. But if he asks them, please tell me which way would the other alien say? The truth-telling alien will point in the wrong direction, and the opposite of the truth alien will point in the wrong direction. Therefore, all our daring ranger has to do is walk out in the opposite direction of the way that both aliens point. And that is the answer. You ask the aliens, which way would the other aliens say? I hope you enjoyed today's miniature mystery.